Huawei launched the new Enjoy 80% in China. It features a traditional Huawei design and is low-end. The screen is 6.67 inches with HD resolution 90% and peaks at 1000 nits. It has an older Kirin 710 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and storage options from 128 to 512 GB. The battery is 6620 mAh, supporting 40 watts charging. The rear camera is 50 megapixels and is accompanied by a marketing camera. The front camera, designed for selfies, comes with 8 megapixels. The design includes IP, and if you bring a headphone jack, it also features infrared. Additionally, there's a special button called the Enjoy X key, which allows you to map it for quick access to some options. The device has a thickness of 8.25 millimeters and weighs 203 grams. The most basic configuration of this device is priced at 1,199 yuan, which is roughly equivalent to $165. On screen, you have the reference prices in other currencies, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there.